Hello everyone, I'm Dhwani Patel along with my companion Murali Patel, and we are from Pandit Dindayal Energy University, currently in 25 batch 3rd sem. So we are over here to present our top 3 projects in data structures lab, which is done under the guidance of Rutvit sir. So our team has 6 members: Murali, Shruti, Dhwani, Harshit, Shivraj and Heli. So getting back to our first topic, which is Struct, we have implemented structures. First of all, what are structures? Structures are a way to group several related variables into one place. Each variable in the structure is known as member of the structure. And unlike an array, a structure can contain many different data types. So we have implemented structure in restaurant login, ordering and billing. It has features like restaurant login, food ordering and billing system. So when we execute the program, first the user has to enters the restaurant portal and he has to enter the name, email ID, phone and phone number. And a random password is generated from the portal and is given to him. So first we have created struct of food item with the help of nested structures and initialize them in a function named menu. And the menu details are also printed as food we have to order which food, and the user can choose whatever they want and in how many amount they want. So this program has 4 methods: menu, bill, password generator and main. So we will look at the program in a short term. So we have created a function called billing for calculating the total cost generated according to the choices of the user, and we have printed the bill and shown them to the user. Price of each item is initialized in the menu card and is calculated using the GST, and we know 18% GST is there on food in India. Then we have created a function that generates password on the random basis using the rand function. We have used rand function over here, which is a collection of the password which is generated will be a collection of characters as well as numbers. So by this we have completed the billing system with the help of struct. This is how we have implemented struct. So let's look at the program. When we run the program, it asks for name. So email ID, phone number, and then the menu random password is generated which is given to us. This is unique, and menu card is printed. So here are the food items. Enter the food item number. So let's say 4. Quantity of sandwich. So quantity of sandwich 2. Okay, so enter item number. So 1. Burger 3. Now French fries 1. And now we have to exit, so we will enter 0. And here the bill is provided to us with food item, quantity, total price, and then the GST is also added to the total price, which is 18% GST in India. So this was our project. This is how we implemented Struct, and we have created restaurant billing, ordering, and providing the details by billing. Thank you.
Hello friends, today we will see the implementation of queue data structure by using a project. Firstly, what is queue? Queue is an ordered list where it enables us to perform following operations like insertion, deletion, traversal, etc. The elements which are added in the queue are from the rear side or from the back side, and the deletion operation etc. are done from the front side of the queue. Hence, queue is also referred as first in, first out. The type of queues majorly used are 4 types: simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, and double-ended queue. Where the circular queue is the main concept used in our queues. The specified subjects are GK, science, and sports. These 3 options are given to the user where he or she can play the quiz. If he or she answers 5 correct answers from the given 10 randomly generated, so he or she will win. The circular queue will be keep counting the correct and the wrong answer into it. If it is correct answer, then the count will be added plus 1, and if it is wrong answer, then 1 point will be deducted from the given queue. The scoreboard means the final score of the user will help to generate their pattern. We will see further how the pattern is created briefly. Given 5 correct answer, then the full pattern will be printed, and he or she will be the winner in any of the one particular subject. The following functions are used in the given circular queue implementation by a quiz game. A struct is initialized for the queue, where we have isEmpty, which will give return whether the queue is full or not. IsEmpty will return is queue empty or not, where enqueue operation will help us to insert the element in the queue, the circular queue. Dequeue will also help us to remove an element from the circular queue, where traversal is to traverse all the element in the given queue. Peek is to see the front element of the given queue, where pattern function will be called according to the scoreboard, where it will be printing the pattern or not. The main function is used to implement all the given functions in it. Now let's go to the code and see it briefly. Here is the code. First, the initialization of the struct, which name is queue, means we have initialized the queue, where it has an array of size 5 in inp underscore arr, where it has integer rare, int rare, and int front, which will help to give the pointer, use like a pointer, which will perform the given circular queue implementation, whether the how many elements are present or not. We here is the function is full, is empty, enqueue operation, where if the given element will be inserted in which position, so we will use the enqueue operation. And then we have this dequeue operation, where we can remove the given element. Then we have traversal operation, which will help us to return how many elements are there in the given circular queue, where we have pattern. According to the given count, the pattern will be generated. If the count is 1, then one hash will be one hash sign will be generated. If 2, if 3, accordingly. Peek function will return or show the front element of the given array. A random function is used to generate and random function, where random number is generated from, and it will return an array of it. Now the main part of the code is to generate an menu like function, where a user can select any of the 3 given particular subject and choose accordingly and play the quiz. After that, implementation of the given questions are randomly, where chk is used to check whether the question is right or not. If the question is right, then the count will be increased and the pattern will be print of the following particular part. Now let's go the output part of the given code. Here we can see we have 3 options: GK, science, and sports. Let's go for the GK. Now, how many consonants are there in English alphabet? We know 4. It is wrong answer. So no pattern will be generated. Which animal is sheep of the desert? It is very easy. Which is camel? So right answer, then a pattern is generated, which is 1. Means first answer is correct, so one pattern is generated. Now we have hardest substance available on the earth, which is diamond. Now national fruit of India, which is mango. largest planet, which is Jupiter, first Prime Minister Vinod Jawaharlal Nehru, which means we won the game. Hence, we came out of the loop. Hence, we can again choose the topic and play the game accordingly. Thank you for your patience. This is the implementation of circular queue. Hello friends. Today we will see the implementation of data structure, which is linked list by project, in which we will compete the singer and do the live voting for it. First, we will understand what is linked list, and then we will understand what we are going to do in this program, and then we will see the interesting output of the given project. First, what is a linked list? Linked list is a linear data structure which is used to connect the nodes or the similar data type by a pointer which will store the address of the next node. Now, what are the type of linked list we can use? We will use singly linked list, doubly and circular linked list, but the main focus in our project is singly linked list, where the project is based on singing competition, so the singer will come and register themselves. For that we have voter information, then we have voter insert, means who will vote for the singer, then we have voting staff, and then we have admin who will demonstrate the following operations: so winner, stop, not again, exit. Not again means the voting, when the voting part is done, the calculation are done in it. So the portal, or we can say the project, which will first ask the user to enter the name, or we can say the valid information of the singer, and then it will create the profile of it. If any of the wrong information is entered for it, then it will show that it is a wrong data or invalid address. After insertion of the singer data, after that we will provide the list of candidate, or we can say audience, which will vote for their favored candidate in the given data, in the given data set of the singers, where after whoever of the singer has got the maximum vote will be the winner, and the linked list will change its pointer and nodes, and by that we can count or we can display the live voting in it. So let's go to the program and see how we have implemented the singly linked list in this given project. Store the data of the singer, and the second one is to store the data of the audience. The last insert singer means it is a function which will used to enter the data of the singer into the linked list. Here we can see we have a valid count for the phone number and the Aadhaar card, so it will have count specific. For phone number we have 10, and for specific Aadhaar card we have 12. If user has changed or not inserted valid phone number or Aadhaar card, it will not accept the input. Or if it is a valid input, then it will store the given data into a linked list. So the next part is to display the singer details. Again, for this is the printing part for the audience to see whether what what are the details of the singer, where audience can vote for it. The third part is to shortlist, means when the audience will give the vote accordingly, the shortlist function will be called and it will change the corresponding data structure for the given valid input. Now we will see what is the implementation of the linked list in the main function. Here are the same options like display audience, insert audience, where the main function will be used to call the following functions, in which the data will be stored and it will performed accordingly. Here is the main function where we have called the following function sequentially and helped it to take the participation of applicants, or we can say singer, or second is the audience, and then we will print who is the winner. Let's see what is the output of the following function. First we have to insert the data of the singer. Number one, serial number, let's say 1, name M R, date of birth, let's say 21/01/2000, phone number, let's say 123, 10 digits, Aadhaar card 12 digits. Now we have inserted successfully first singer. Let second singer, the serial number is 2, name is RR, date of birth is 23/10/2003, phone number, let's say Aadhaar card number. So two singers are inserted successfully. Now we have to exit from the given list of the singer. Then it will ask for the audience. Now we will insert the audience, number 1. Then it will print the values of the given singer participant in it. So what is the name of the audience? Let's say Dev, which will vote for the given singer, means let's say 1. Now we will insert another audience. Let's say MRW, what is 1? Let's say another audience will be given chance. Let's say RW, it will vote for singer 2. Let's say again we will insert another audience which name is Popat Bhai, which will insert second number, and we will now it has counted who is the winner accordingly, and it will print. So the winner of the day goes to the RR. By this we can implement the linked list, etc., and we can perform this wonderful project of singing contest, and we can perform live voting. Thank you for your patience.